Ever wondered how to get a flawless full coverage foundation using a beauty blender? Today we'll dive into a simple yet effective routine that will leave your skin looking impeccable. We'll explore the magic of beauty blenders in achieving this look. Ready to get started? Here we go. Before applying foundation, it's important to prepare your skin. This is a step that's often overlooked, but it's crucial in order to achieve that flawless finish we all strive for. Start by moisturizing your skin. Think of your skin as a canvas, and moisturizer as the primer that prepares it. A well-hydrated skin ensures a smooth application of the foundation. So take a dollop of your favorite moisturizer and gently massage it into your skin. Pay particular attention to any dry patches. This not only hydrates your skin, but also improves blood circulation, giving your skin that healthy glow. Now let's talk about primer. A primer is like a magic potion that blurs out pores and fine lines, providing a smooth surface for the foundation to adhere to. It's especially beneficial if you have an oily T-zone or forehead. Take a pea-sized amount of a hydrating primer and apply it to these areas. The trick is to gently press and roll it into your skin rather than rubbing it in. This ensures that the primer fills in the pores and fine lines effectively. Remember, the key to a flawless foundation application is patience. Each step in the skin preparation process is like laying a brick in the foundation of a house. You wouldn't rush through building a house, would you? The same holds true for your makeup routine. Take your time with each step, and you'll see a noticeable difference in the finish of your foundation. Now that our skin is prepped, let's move on to the foundation. But that's a topic for another scene. For now, let's revel in the joy of having well-prepared skin, shall we? Choosing the right foundation is crucial for a flawless look. So let's dive into how to select and apply a full coverage liquid foundation. For a look that's as natural as possible, you'll want a foundation that matches your skin tone and undertone perfectly. It's essential to consider the finish as well, whether you want something dewy for a fresh, youthful glow, or matte for a more polished, refined look. Once you've found your perfect match, it's time to apply. The amount needed varies depending on your skin type and the coverage you're after. Generally, a pump and a half should suffice. Remember, it's easier to add more if needed, but too much can lead to a cakey finish. Dispense the foundation onto the back of your hand. This will warm it up slightly, making it easier to blend. Now let's get to the fun part, using the beauty blender. This magic tool picks up the perfect amount of product, ensuring a smooth, even application. Start by dipping the beauty blender into the foundation on the back of your hand. Then, begin applying to the face, starting from the center and working outwards. This technique ensures the highest coverage in the areas that typically need it most, like the nose and cheeks, while preventing a mask-like effect around the edges of the face. Work in sections and use a bouncing motion to really press the product into your skin. This helps achieve a seamless blend. Build up the coverage in layers, focusing on any problem areas. The key to a flawless finish is patience. Take your time to blend thoroughly. And voila! You have a beautifully even base, ready for the next step in your makeup routine. With the foundation in place, we can now focus on concealing. A good concealer can hide a multitude of sins. And it's not just about hiding, but also about highlighting and enhancing your features. Choosing the right concealer and applying it correctly can make all the difference in your full coverage foundation routine. For this step, we'll be using a hydrating formula concealer. The skin around our eyes is very delicate and often drier than the rest of our face. Using a hydrating concealer ensures that the area under our eyes doesn't end up looking cakey or creased. It keeps the area moisturized and gives a smooth finish. Similarly, when it comes to covering up those pesky blemishes, a hydrating concealer works wonders. It not only covers the blemish, but also gives the skin around it a healthy appearance. Remember, it's not about masking your blemishes, but rather blending them seamlessly with your skin. Now let's get to the application. Dot the concealer under your eyes and on any blemishes. You don't need to go overboard with the amount, just a few dots will do the trick. Once you've dotted the concealer, it's time to blend. We'll be using the other side of our beauty blender for this. The key to a natural look is to blend, blend, blend. Gently tap the beauty blender over the concealer, blending it into your skin. The beauty of the beauty blender is that it picks up any excess product, ensuring you don't end up with too much concealer on your skin. You'll notice how the concealer seamlessly blends into your foundation, providing extra coverage where needed, but without being obvious. It's like your little beauty secret, hidden in plain sight. Remember, your goal is to enhance your natural beauty, not to mask it. The right concealer applied correctly can do just that. It hides what you want to hide, highlights what you want to highlight, and gives your skin a smooth, flawless finish. Now that we've concealed, it's time to set everything with powder. Setting your makeup is the final step in ensuring your flawless look lasts all day. But that's a topic for our next scene. Stay tuned. Setting your makeup is the final step to a flawless foundation. The role of loose powder is to seal all the work you've done so far, your moisturizer, primer, foundation, and concealer. But it doesn't just stop there. It also serves to eliminate any shine that might have been caused by the application of these products, giving your skin a mattified, flawless finish. Loose powder comes in different shades to match your skin, and it's quite easy to apply. For this, you'll need a fluffy brush. Now, why a fluffy brush, you may ask? Well, a fluffy brush is perfect for this task because it picks up just the right amount of product, and its soft bristles blend the powder seamlessly into your skin without disturbing the layers of makeup underneath. To apply, gently dip your brush into the powder, tap off the excess, and then lightly press it onto your skin. This pressing motion is key. You don't want to drag or sweep the brush across your face, as that can move your foundation or concealer around. Instead, gently press the powder into your skin, starting from the center of your face and working your way outwards, just like we did with the foundation. Now let's talk about the benefits of setting your makeup. First and foremost, it eliminates shine. If you're someone who tends to get oily throughout the day, setting your makeup with a powder can help keep that oil at bay. Secondly, setting your makeup ensures its longevity. It creates a barrier that helps prevent your makeup from rubbing off or smudging throughout the day. So whether you're off to a long day at work or a night out with friends, setting your makeup with a loose powder will help keep your complexion looking flawless for hours on end. And there you have it, a flawless full coverage foundation using a beauty blender. Your face is now a perfectly primed canvas, ready for the rest of your makeup. And remember, beauty is about feeling good in your own skin. So, find products and techniques that work best for you. Experiment, learn, and most importantly, have fun with it. So that's how you get a flawless full coverage foundation using a beauty blender. We've journeyed from a bare face to a beautifully polished canvas, all thanks to the magic of makeup and our trusty beauty blender. We began with skin preparation, an essential step that ensures a smooth, even base. Remember, moisturizer is your friend and massaging it into your skin is key. A well-hydrated face is the perfect canvas for our next step, primer application. We used a hydrating primer to fill in pores and fine lines, focusing on the T-zone and forehead, the areas that tend to get oily. The primer provides a smooth surface for foundation application, helping it to blend seamlessly. The star of the show was, of course, the full coverage liquid foundation. Using a beauty blender, we started in the center of the face and worked outwards in sections. The beauty blender's unique shape allows it to pick up just the right amount of product and buff it flawlessly into the skin. Following the foundation, we applied a hydrating concealer under the eyes and on any blemishes. This step is crucial to achieve that flawless airbrushed look. The beauty blender was again put to work, ensuring the concealer blended seamlessly without looking cakey. Finally, we set everything with a loose powder. This step eliminates shine and ensures your makeup stays put throughout the day. So there you have it, a flawless full coverage foundation routine using a beauty blender. It may seem a tad bit daunting at first, but remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to play around with the steps and find what works best for you. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with any questions. Thanks for watching.